Hey guys, welcome back to Mitchell's RC Off-Road, and today we're gonna be showing you how to assemble a beadlock rim. So here I have some Pro-Line rims, and I've already assembled this. So you gotta take all these screws out. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's very simple. The end product looks like this. They look very good. And the tires are RC four-wheel drive rock creepers. So I'm just taking out these screws still. And these Pro-Line rims, there is 6 screws and they're on the back of it. If you guys are following along with me, some of the beadlocks will have screws in the front of it or the back, depends. Just like this one. This one is plastic, so last screw and then oh. So it just comes apart somehow. Okay, so you take this ring. Let's move you up right here. So you take this ring, and the goal is to get it in this without, and these ones, this foam is very easy to rip, so just you gotta get it in there and get the bead of the tire out of the that. So see, looks like that. It's all in there. Then you take your the front part, just lay it in there. Make sure it's seated right. So what I would do is pull it, hold this down, hold this down, pull it out to make sure it seats right in there, and flip it over. Line these holes with those little knobs in there. So let me do that. You gotta pull the rubber out while doing this too. I'm gonna put in the screw so it doesn't all fall apart. So once you put 2 screws in, putting the second screw in, I tighten them all the way down. And then you go, once you got those in, you go around, pull it all out. It should, if it pulls out, then you gotta take them all out and restart that process. Then you just start putting them in like a star pattern. And just like that, you've got a tire fully it's on a beadlock and it's ready to go. All you gotta do now is put it on your truck. See you guys later.